Mega love shout out everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie vlog, and today I am so busy preparing these things. Charot. So Mom Shawie is busy doing DIY invitation. And watch out guys why I'm making DIY invitation. Charot.
Those are Thanksgiving invitation, guys. I personally made this one, so this is my DIY invitation. Thank you for watching. And if you want to order, guys, just PM me on Ma'am Shawie Vlog. So I'm open for DIY of invitation, program, MCs of all kinds, okay, on all occasions. So I can be also your MC, I can also be your host, your lady of ceremony for all kinds of celebration. So this is me, Ma'am Shawie Vlog, and thank you very much, guys. Hope to hear from you.